Hello, I saw your question. I guess there's four parts here. Use the given graph to evaluate the following expressions. Find f plus g of negative 2. Well, by definition, that equals f of negative 2 plus g of negative 2. So what's the negative 2? Well, that's the domain or the value for x. And so that would be right here. Right there is where x is negative 2. So now you want to find f of negative 2, or the y value for f. And so the blue one here is f. So you got to go straight up. And looks like the y value appears to be 4. So I'm just using the graph. You could make it bigger. We go straight up. And so the y value appears to be 4. So we put a 4 there. Now you got to repeat that for g of negative 2. So you come to same negative 2, and you go down. The purple graph is g, so you come down. And it looks like that value is negative 1. And so this would be a negative 1, and then you add those numbers, and you get 3. Next one, instead of x being negative 2, you don't be looking at negative 1 here, which is right beside negative 2, and then 0, which would be here, and then negative 1 again, dividing instead of subtracting. Hope this helps.